Well, hello, welcome to the studio today. I'm going to take you outside to the breezeway where I'm holding the mosaic that Lindy and I just finished. This is the very top mosaic. So I'll pull it out for you here. I was glad that we used wood that wasn't very heavy because when you get the glass on, it gets heavy. So there we go. This is just a new technique that actually Lindy came up with, and I'll have her talk about it for you in a minute. But it's just glass on a painting. And we're excited to have the top one finished. So now we have the top one and the bottom one finished. There are two more that go in the middle. And so I will let you know how that goes. And but in the meantime, I'm pretty excited about this. I think that it's really going to be beautiful. It's going to be above a stairway, and so it's going to expand about 12 feet.
Well, this is a unique aspect that we're doing here. I'm sure it's been done somewhere, but I've never seen it. And that is to have a painted atmosphere or a painted sky with our mosaic, and then use clear glass that we glue on with clear glue, so that you see right through the glass to the sky, and it really creates that illusion of distance. And also the opportunity to have some blended effects really helps to create that illusion of an atmosphere as opposed to the solid rocks and earth and so forth. So we're preserving the fragmented nature of the mosaic, though, by just using these random clear glass pieces. But a real treat that I didn't realize we would do until I came here today was we did cut the water and the mountains and the sun shapes here. Cut those out so that those textures are similar and follow these lines here. So I think that will further give it some nice structure and connect it to the fragmented nature of the rest of the mosaic. So does that cover it?
So thanks for taking a look at this and all our hard work. Of course, it's all glued down and grouted in, and everything is ready to go on that one. So 2 down, 2 to go. Yeah.